In the electrification wave sweeping the entire automotive industry, one company refused to follow the status quo. Tesla chose to blaze a new trail, a path driven by innovation at the very heart of its vehicles. That heart? The carbon fiber-wrapped rotor motor. This isn't just any motor component, it's a breakthrough that's redefining what electric vehicles can be: lighter, faster, more powerful, and smarter. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the technology behind Tesla's carbon fiber-wrapped rotor motor, exploring why this hidden gem inside the car is shaking up the entire industry. But before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tech breakthroughs. Tesla's revolution doesn't stop at motors. Behind every sleek car lies cutting-edge manufacturing innovation. In just one casting machine, Tesla can produce about 5 parts simultaneously, a process that once took hours and dozens of assembly steps. Scaling this up isn't easy. You have to cool molten metal rapidly, remove debris efficiently, and automate every step for consistency. Tesla tackled this with extreme automation, global supply chain mastery, and software-driven production thinking. From Fremont to Berlin, from Nevada to Shanghai, Tesla's Gigafactories aren't just factories, they're machines that build machines. Take the Shanghai Gigafactory, Tesla's global production powerhouse churning out over 1 million vehicles yearly. Here, industrial robots work 24/7, guided by AI systems that monitor every action, ensuring top-notch quality without sacrificing speed. This factory can cast an entire car body in mere seconds, a process that traditionally took hours. This incredible efficiency will soon allow Tesla to offer electric mobility to millions worldwide. Tesla's upcoming Model 2 is a litmus test of its global mass production prowess. Designed for a target price under $25,000, it boasts faster assembly, fewer parts, and simpler production, all while maintaining Tesla's signature quality and performance. But producing millions of affordable cars is just the start. Maintaining consistent reliability and performance at this scale is an entirely different challenge. And Tesla's answer lies in its next-generation electric motors. Electric motors have evolved a lot since the 19th century, from the first DC motors to today's advanced synchronous permanent magnet and axial flux designs, but limits remain on speed, durability, materials, and power-to-weight ratio. Tesla didn't just tweak old tech, it reimagined the entire manufacturing philosophy. Enter the carbon fiber-wrapped rotor motor, lightweight enough for anyone to pick up, yet engineered to withstand over 20,000 revolutions per minute of intense centrifugal force. This level of performance was once exclusive to industrial equipment and aviation. Now, Tesla brings it to your car. Every carbon fiber layer is wrapped with micron-level precision by robotic systems, ensuring flawless structural integrity even under extreme conditions. This is no lab experiment. The Model S Plaid, equipped with this motor, rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2 seconds, outrunning many supercars. More impressively, Tesla balances blistering speed with energy efficiency, so you get high performance without sacrificing your driving range. One of the biggest hurdles? Carbon fiber and metals expand differently with heat, which can damage components. But Tesla met this challenge head-on. By leveraging machine learning and robotics, Tesla precisely controls every manufacturing parameter, from wrapping tension to molding temperature, to ensure perfect harmony between materials. What's groundbreaking is not just the motor's design, but Tesla's ability to produce millions of these motors yearly, without sacrificing quality or performance. This proves that fast production and high quality aren't mutually exclusive. They can and must coexist. Tesla's carbon fiber-wrapped rotor isn't just for cars. Its lightweight, high-performance design opens doors in aerospace, robotics, industrial machinery, and energy storage. Elon Musk calls this a leap toward the future, not a lab curiosity, but a real-world, scalable revolution. Compared to competitors, Tesla is miles ahead. While many automakers still wrestle with range anxiety, Tesla focuses on speed, durability, and peak performance. Only a few models, like the Rimac and Lucid Air, can even touch Tesla's acceleration. But when it comes to efficiency and long-term performance, Tesla has created a gap no one can ignore. This has put giants like Ford and General Motors under pressure to rethink their strategies, and has reshaped the global EV landscape. That carbon fiber casing is more than a material choice. It's a strategic shift. It slashes weight, boosts load capacity, and withstands blistering rotational speeds. Once exclusive to aerospace, this tech is now being integrated into everyday electric vehicles. And this is only the beginning. Tesla's upcoming Roadster isn't just about looks. It's a tech showcase combining the Play motor, advanced batteries, active torque distribution, and precision control to deliver mind-blowing speed and handling. Forget roaring engines, this supercar's power comes from silent, near-perfect machine precision. Tesla is rewriting the rules of speed and performance. High-performance motors like Tesla's Play motor have profound benefits. Environmentally, they consume less energy and reduce demand for scarce resources like lithium and copper. This means longer driving ranges with smaller batteries, easing mining pressures. Socially, they bring high-tech jobs, raise workforce skill levels, and improve driving safety with smoother, quieter rides, helping reduce noise pollution in our cities. Economically, Tesla's streamlined motor design cuts costs and boosts efficiency, letting them offer affordable prices while maintaining strong profits. But with speed and performance this high, questions arise. Are existing speed limits, safety standards, and road designs ready for these next-gen vehicles? Tesla is leading not just in technology, but in pushing for updated regulations and infrastructure, collaborating with lawmakers to build a legal framework fit for the future of mobility. The era of internal combustion engines, the symbols of freedom and speed for over a century, is fading. In its place, smart, fast-charging, affordable electric vehicles are becoming the new standard, with Tesla leading the charge. The Model 2 will break price barriers and open the door to EVs for millions, accelerating the shift from niche to mainstream. Tesla isn't just building cars, it's reshaping the entire ecosystem of energy, transportation, and data for the 21st century. Thank you for joining us to explore Tesla's revolutionary carbon fiber-wrapped rotor motor. What Tesla is doing isn't just improving performance, it's redefining how we think about efficient, intelligent electric vehicles. What do you think about Tesla's direction? If you believe this is a true turning point for the EV industry, drop a 1 inch in the comments below. We want to hear your thoughts. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your support helps us bring you more exciting tech content. Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious.